All right, guys, another night out here at Showtime. It's only 6:30. It's already really packed. We're gonna have a go-kart event, I think, gonna happen up here. I'm not really sure what that's about, but we have an amazing turnout tonight in our crew. Challenger 6.4. Skip over. We got the C8 Corvette Z51. He's stock. We got the Chevy Turbo Sonic. He's not stock. We've got the Freak. As always, we're not gonna talk about what the Freak is. Full bolt-on tune Civic SI, Q50 3.0 turbo, JB4 Map2, Raptor 6.2 exhaust intake, Superchips 93 tune. One of our good friends out here with his SRT. It's basically just a stock red eye with pump gas, or race gas and an intake, and I think he's making between 800 and 900 horsepower. And last but definitely not least, the Silverbacks. Making 800 plus horsepower, running low eights. This thing is a monster. We're waiting on one more to be out here, another Civic SI. He's got minor mods. Guys, we are going hard tonight. We got a McLaren here. We got some Teslas. We've got some other fast cars. And to take care of those, the 1515 Typhon, 3036 drag gears, 6S, top speed 115 miles an hour. Let's see what 8th mile action brings tonight, guys. Stay